How to check first message on Messenger. Let's get started with the video. First, launch the Messenger app on your device and make sure you are logged in. Next, select the chat of the person whose first message you want to find. Once you are in the conversation, the next steps are simple. Now click on the profile icon at the top of the chat. Once you are in the chat setting, scroll down until you see the option labeled Search in Conversation. This is where you will be able to search for a specific message within the chat. At this point, think about what the first message could have been. Furthermore, try entering the keyword into the search bar. After typing in the word or a phrase, click on the first search result that appears. Messenger will take you directly to that message in your chat history, and you will be able to see the very first message you have exchanged with that person. And that's it. You have successfully found the first message in your chat.